NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, the furthest traveling spacecraft ever released, continues its breathtaking adventure through the cosmos. For nearly 50 years, Voyager 1 has been sending lower-back important statistics from the farthest reaches of the universe, appreciably advancing our expertise of the cosmos. However, latest transmissions from this notable spacecraft have offered complicated signals that have left the complete area community in a kingdom of awe and bewilderment. These indicators have sparked debates about whether they are the result of a technical glitch or if they can be indicative of something some distance more excellent, together with extraterrestrial interest. Be part of us as we delve deeper into the mystery surrounding these exceptional transmissions and discover what is probably lurking inside the depths of area. Humanity's fascination with the mysteries beyond our planet has been a driving force in area exploration when you consider that its inception. This insatiable curiosity caused the historic release of missions like Explorer 1 and Explorer 2, which were among the maximum ambitious space endeavors in their time. The release of Explorer 2 from NASA's Kennedy Space Center on August 21, 1977, marked the start of a brand new technology in area exploration. Simply 14 days later, on September 5, Explorer 1 observed, placing the level for an unprecedented journey. Those dual spacecraft, every weighing about 720 kilograms, kind of equivalent to a small automobile, have been released all through an unprecedented alignment of the outer planets, which played a crucial role of their trajectories and venture effects. During their great odyssey, these spacecraft traveled in divergent instructions and at varying speeds. A pivotal second took place on December 15, 1977, when Explorer 1 exceeded its twin because of differences of their paths. Given that then, Voyager 1 has emerged as an important asset, offering precious statistics that has revolutionized our information of the cosmos and its myriad phenomena. Earlier than we dive into Voyager 1's trendy, magnificent discovery, which has captured the eye of the whole space community, let's revisit some of its most first-rate achievements. In 1978, all through its Jovian imaging assignment, Voyager 1 became placed approximately 265 million kilometers from Earth. Through January 1979, it had embarked on a remarkable 100-hour challenge, shooting an enthralling time-lapse movie of Jupiter's rotation. This collection of 3,750 pictures supplied extraordinary perspectives of Jupiter's dynamic environment and its complex features. The spacecraft's findings blanketed the invention of a small ring around Jupiter and previously unknown moons, greatly expanding our expertise of the fuel massive's problematic machine. To make sure the spacecraft's safe passage and avoid capability collisions with Titan, one among Saturn's moons, corrective maneuvers have been performed. After the successful Saturn venture, researchers determined to conclude the planetary task of each Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. But the spacecraft had been sent on a brand new trajectory beyond the confines of our solar gadget, traveling at an astonishing speed of 325 million kilometers in line with 12 months. In January 1990, the interstellar venture began, with Voyager 1 continuing its celestial journey. At some stage in this period, Voyager 1 made substantial discoveries, inclusive of the identification of 4 additional moons, Mimas, Enceladus, Tethys, and Rhea, and captured a number of the most iconic images ever taken of our Sun machine. On February 14, 1990, Voyager 1, positioned about 6 billion kilometers from the solar, embarked on a visual excursion called the Family Portrait, shooting stunning pictures of the Sun device's planets. This collection of 60 snapshots brought to Voyager 1's extraordinary portfolio of 670 pictures taken throughout its come across with Neptune. Voyager 2 also accomplished excellent milestones for the duration of its challenge. Because it approached Neptune, it recorded wind speeds exceeding 1300 ms/s, the fastest winds ever discovered in our Sun gadget. This achievement supplied precious insights into Neptune's distant environment and its biggest moon, Triton. Triton's floor temperature drops to a frigid minus 391 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the coldest locations in our solar system. Triton also exhibited precise functions, together with ice volcanoes that erupted nitrogen gasoline and propelled frozen debris 5 kilometers into its hazy ecosystem. These awesome findings have deepened our expertise of the various and complex nature of celestial items within the outermost areas of our solar gadget. The Voyager missions have delivered profound and transformative effects. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have revealed that Jupiter and Saturn's moons, once thought to be closely scarred and inactive, are clearly brimming with geological pastime. Voyager 2, especially, achieved numerous historical milestones, consisting of being the first spacecraft to fly past Uranus and Neptune, and it remains the simplest spacecraft to have accomplished so. NASA hired diverse techniques to increase the operational lifespan of these formidable spacecraft, such as shutting down non-vital warmers and systems to conserve electricity. The project is predicted to finish in 2030, marking a moment of pride and a touch of melancholy for the scientists and engineers who have dedicated themselves to this tremendous endeavor. The design of Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 turned into a surprise of engineering. Those spacecraft had been designed as solid platforms rotating at a price more than 15 times slower than a clock's hour hand. This design choice reduced visible blurring as the spacecraft traversed the big expanse of space. Even before achieving the outer planets, the spacecraft started transmitting photographs of Jupiter, revealing its swirling clouds and iconic capabilities. The brilliant pink spot, a large hurricane on Jupiter, captivated audiences at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. However, the invention of lively volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io garnered the maximum interest. The spacecraft's contraptions detected uncommon indicators from Io, which have been showed through particular photos showing towering volcanic plumes and a surface scarred with the aid of eruptions. Considered one of Io's most distinguished volcanoes, erupted with a pressure 10 times more than that of Mount St. Helens, masking an area almost the size of France. As the spacecraft endured their journey, their cameras were ultimately became off to preserve power and memory before they ventured into interstellar space. Considerably, the images they captured did not include Mercury and Mars for various reasons. Besides the Explorer probes, NASA has released other splendid spacecraft, along with Voyager 10, Voyager 11, and New Horizons. On February 17, 1998, Voyager 10 handed Voyager 11, becoming the spacecraft farthest from Earth. In spite of the absence of other area probes to witness it, Voyager 1 continued its solo journey for an extra 14 years before coming into the interstellar surroundings on August 25, 2012. The success of the Voyager missions changed into made possible through various modern techniques, with gravity-help maneuvers standing out as particularly first-rate. These maneuvers were crucial for propelling the spacecraft to their distant locations and gathering precious records. The spacecraft relied no longer handiest on their very own propulsion structures, however, additionally on gravity assists to gain their objectives. Imagine the two fearless rockets gracefully navigating through our neighborhood planetary machine, utilizing the gravitational pull of planets to propel themselves forward. This celestial dance allowed them to preserve fuel and obtain the essential speeds to go to distinctive locations. Gravity assist maneuvers contain presenting the spacecraft with a small amount of a planet's strength as it passes with the aid of with intense precision. As an example, as Voyager 1 approached Jupiter, the planet's substantial gravitational appeal elevated the spacecraft, growing its speed. Reaching such precision changed into critical. Any deviation from the best angle or velocity could have resulted in a disastrous final results. In spite of the daunting accuracy required, the superminds at the back of these missions efficaciously accomplished these gravity assists a couple of instances, sending the spacecraft on an extremely good adventure. The grand excursion, made feasible with the aid of these celestial maneuvers, noticed Voyager 2 making use of gravity assistance from Jupiter and Saturn to reach Uranus and Neptune. The fulfillment of the Voyager missions owes an awful lot to those gravity aids. As we reflect at the superb adventure of those trailblazing spacecraft and the wealth of expertise they have provided, we eagerly watch for, in addition, updates on the research into Voyager 1's latest anomalies. Each Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 hold their missions beyond earthly bounds, and their accomplishments consist of Jupiter and its moons, Saturn and its moons, Uranus, and Neptune. Voyager 1's time-lapse pics showcase 10 rotations of Jupiter in vibrant element, consisting of the discovery of recent moons and a small ring. These findings have substantially stronger our knowledge of Jupiter's complex system. Voyager 1 additionally located 4 additional moons of Saturn, Mimas, Enceladus, Tethys, and Rhea, and took awesome images of Saturn and its rings, imparting new insights into Saturn's complex machine. The spacecraft made history by means of visiting Uranus and Neptune and presenting treasured statistics approximately their atmospheres and moons, enriching our understanding of the outermost areas of our solar device. After finishing their planetary missions, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 ventured into interstellar space, collecting statistics on the cosmic surroundings. This ongoing exploration continues to make bigger our knowledge of the universe beyond our sun machine. As we look forward to extra statistics approximately Voyager 1's present-day signals and their ability implications for our know-how of the cosmos, the tremendous adventure of the spacecraft remains a supply of concept and fascination for scientists and area fans alike. Their groundbreaking achievements preserve to push the bounds of human know-how and exploration, highlighting the boundless ability of space discovery. The Voyager missions have furnished us with a treasure trove of information about our solar gadget and beyond. Beyond the enduring pics and information, the spacecraft have additionally carried a golden file, a completely unique artifact designed to talk the story of our international to extraterrestrials. This document includes sounds and photographs chosen to portray the range of life and way of life on the Earth. It includes greetings in 55 languages, track from numerous cultures, and a variety of natural sounds like thunder and whale songs. This message in a bottle, so to speak, reflects the wish that at some point, if intelligent lifestyles exists elsewhere, they could locate and understand it, imparting a glimpse into humanity's essence. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 had been geared up with clinical instruments which have revolutionized our know-how. Those units included magnetometers, plasma wave detectors, cosmic ray instruments, and imaging structures, every contributing critical statistics approximately area phenomena. As an example, the magnetometers have provided insights into the magnetic fields of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, revealing the complicated interactions among these planets and their surrounding environments. The plasma wave detectors helped us recognize the nature of the sun wind and its interplay with planetary atmospheres and magnetospheres. One of the most awesome aspects of the Voyager missions is their capacity to measure the heliosphere boundary, a great bubble of sun debris and magnetic fields that encloses our sun device. As Voyager 1 approached the edge of this boundary, it detected the surprising transition from the solar wind to the interstellar medium. This information has been instrumental in shaping our understanding of the heliosphere's shape and its position in shielding Earth from cosmic radiation. The spacecraft's observations have supplied evidence of a wonderful boundary where the sun wind slows down and becomes denser, called the termination shock. Beyond this factor lies the heliosheath, a region wherein the sun wind interacts with the interstellar medium, creating a complicated and dynamic environment. Voyager 2's journey has been equally groundbreaking. After its success flybys of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, it has persisted to offer treasured statistics on the outer reaches of our solar system. Voyager 2's observations of Uranus were in particular fantastic for revealing its unique magnetic field that is tilted substantially compared to the planet's rotation axis. This discovery challenged current models of planetary magnetism and spurred similarly studies into the magnetic environments of other celestial bodies. Similarly to their clinical contributions, the Voyager missions have had a profound impact on public interest in space exploration. The lovely photos of distant planets and their moons, combined with the private stories of the spacecraft's journey, have captured the imagination of humans around the sector. The photographs of Saturn's jewelry and the precise perspectives of Jupiter's moons, especially Io's volcanic activity, have stimulated infinite people and were featured in educational substances, documentaries, and popular media. Those missions have fostered a sense of wonder and curiosity about the universe, highlighting the significance of exploration and the quest for knowledge. The engineering and logistical feats completed by way of the Voyager missions also are really worth noting. The spacecraft were designed to function in severe conditions far from Earth, with temperatures dropping beneath -220 degrees Celsius. They depend on radioisotope thermoelectric mills, RTGs, for strength, which give a constant power source despite the good-sized distance from the solar. The engineers who designed and built those spacecraft faced numerous challenges, along with making sure that the units could stay functional for many years and that conversation will be maintained over such gigantic distances. The information back by means of the Voyagers has additionally stimulated our knowledge of the wider cosmic surroundings. The spacecraft have helped to map the distribution of cosmic rays and supplied insights into the density and composition of interstellar dirt. This statistics is crucial for know-how the conditions within the area among stars and for preparing Destiny missions that might explore other celebrity systems. Because the Voyagers continue their adventure into interstellar space, their legacy is cemented now not best with the aid of the statistics they have already supplied, however, additionally with the aid of the muse they offer for future exploration. The missions have paved the manner for new technologies and methodologies in area technology and have set a precedent for formidable long-time period area missions. They demonstrate the opportunities of human ingenuity and the value of perseverance inside the face of daunting challenges. Looking forward, the Voyager missions have inspired a new era of spacecraft and missions. Concepts for Destiny probes aim to build upon the Voyager success with the aim of exploring even extra-distant areas of area. These upcoming missions will preserve to push the limits of our knowledge and could enjoy the foundations laid through the Voyager spacecraft. In conclusion, the Voyager missions represent certainly one of humanity's finest achievements in area exploration. Their contributions to technology, their function in advancing our know-how of the solar machine and beyond, and their effect on public imagination underscore the importance of continued exploration and curiosity. As Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 adventure similarly into the cosmos, they remain symbols of human aspiration and the endless quest for know-how.